birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sadri. Happy birthday to you.
Sorry, I want kipas. Just one last.
Oh, okay, make a wish, make a wish.
Congrats on being 17, bro.
17 years old. Okay, make a wish.
Thank you very much, guys. Wow. Jangan tarik ribbon.
Mama jangan tarik ribbon, ya Allah. Jangan ke mana mama, aku tak salah dekat mana ribbon.
Kena marah ya mama. Wow, okay, thank you. It's a very good investment.
Visit chemistry bila lagi?
It's a nice running shoe. No, it's not running shoes. That's it. My cycling shoes is hancur.
Dia dah ada visit chemistry belum lagi.
Cycling shoes lain. Wow. Ini my size, saya takut. Assalamualaikum, Tachau, Yakini Vadakam. Saya ingin menjual mak saya. I like to sell my mom's product. Esok mama akan jual dia punya hand socks. Tengok yang dia tunjukkan di sini. Walaupun saya rasa walaupun my mom, you know, slightly aged, but no, this can be used for young and for old. So the hand socks from Safa product from my mom will be at Halal International Singapore Expo 2025 at Exhibition Hall 5. Dekat booth mana? Booth Bella Sila.